Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create password reset disk in Windows 10 computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, insert your pen drive into your computer and now go to control panel by typing control panel in the start menu and click on control panel. Now click on user account. Now again click on user account and click on create a password reset disk. Click next, select your pen drive and click on next again. Now type your current password, that is Windows login password. So by using the Windows password reset disk, you can able to reset Windows password if you have forgot your Windows login password. So now click on next and click on next again, click finished. So that's it. Now we have created a password reset disk in my pen drive. So when I forget my Windows login password, I can use my pen drive to reset Windows password, or you can also access the password reset disk options from by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete from your keyboard and pressing on change password, and then you have now options to create password reset disk. By clicking on the options, you will have a dialog box where you can create password reset disk. So now I'll show you how to use this password reset disk to reset your Windows login password. Now to reset Windows forgotten password using Windows password reset disk, to reset your password, insert your password reset disk pen drive into your system, then type a wrong password. Now when you click OK, you will see reset password options. Now click on this option and now password reset wizard will show. Now click on next and again click on next, and now here you can type new password for your Windows login. And you can type a password hint also and click next and click finished. Now you have reset your password. Now type the new password you have just created, and you can see here using the new password I can log in successfully. So in this way you can easily reset your password using Windows password reset disk, and this is how you can create Windows password reset disk in Windows 10 computer.